Noong 1955, dito sa Bubok, ang kahoy dito marami. Pag pumunta ka dito sa area dito, maraming uong.
The National Power Corporation is one of the lead agency in the management and protection of the Upper Agno watershed area by virtue of Proclamation 548 and Executive Order 224 series of 1987, vesting the National Power Corporation the complete jurisdiction, control and regulation of all its watershed areas surrounding its power generating plants. The watershed is extremely vital to environmental, human, and economic health. It provides several benefits and ecological services such as the power generation, biodiversity which sustains life, ecotourism, and climate change mitigation.
Water is life. It is very important because it is the source of life.
Pag pumunta ka sa Mahago ngayon, wala nang kahoy ang makita mo dyan sa baba. Kung nakita mo, lahat garden.
This place before was good. When I was studying here in 1955, in the elementary grades, the river was narrow, unlike now that it is wider because of the erosion.
Ang nagiging kalaban lang natin dito is yung disaster natin dito is yung forest fire. Yun lang ang pumipinsala dito sa watershed.
Iniikot namin yung area at pinapatrol namin. Pangalawa, sa forest fire kasi matatarik ang mga kwan dito, bundok. Tsaka malayo yan ang problema namin. Pero pumupunta kami sa area site, nag-fire suppression. Pag matarik yung bundok, gumagawa kami ng emergency fire lines.
As per provision in the IPIRA law, we are mandated to implement the Universal Charge, Environmental Charge, or the UCEC fund for the implementation of forest protection and the rehabilitation of all denuded areas. We have three major tasks. First, we have the forest protection. This is the protection of our forests in collaboration with other stakeholders in the watershed area. We have the SN Aboitiz as our partners, the local government units, and we have also the partners from the military, the PNP, and the Philippine Army, Buklaw Patrol Base. They usually help us in our protection programs and then also during the forest fire season. Of course, the DNR, our big brother, our partner in the protection and development of our watershed. We have the watershed rehabilitation programs. This includes the rehabilitation of all denuded areas and all environmentally critical areas in the watershed. We have programs on the reforestation, afforestation, and other vegetative measures to rehabilitate these ecologically critical areas. We have also our program on watershed resource development. We conduct trainings to enhance the skills of our indigenous peoples in the community. We also have our programs on seedling production, wherein we produce seedlings in our forest nurseries and eventually distribute this to all interested groups and individuals in the community. Aside from this, we have also the pig dispersal or swine dispersal program. We distribute swine to interested IP groups in the community to enhance their income.
Ang PAMBI, yun ang link ng DNR at saka NPC. Sila ang policy making body. Yung reforestation projects, meron din sa DNR at meron din sa National Power Corporation. Kailangan may collaboration din doon para hindi mag-duplicate yung projects ng DNR at National Power Corporation. Ang isa, law enforcement, sa investigation, sa confiscation, sa pag-checkpoint.
We have organized task force in the municipality, pursuant to an ordinance. We have enacted an ordinance creating this task force.
Bilang part ng LGU at saka ng community, yung collaboration namin ng NPC URWAT or Upper Agno is updated lagi yan. Pinipresent din namin sa kanila yung mga plano namin dito. Kasi isa naman yung layunin namin dito ng watershed o NPC na maprotektahan itong kabundukan natin dito sa Barangay Amboklang.
Sana kayong kababayan ko dito sa Barangay Bubok Rizal, magtulong-tulungan tayo para we advise our children to protektaran tayo itong barangay natin.
Walang ibang magpuprotekta sa ating paligiran, sa ating mga forest, our environment, kundi lang tayo rin. So dapat magtulong-tulungan tayo.
It is our moral obligation to take care of it because we are part of the environment actually.
Sana po makibahagi tayong lahat sa pangangalaga ng ating Upper Agno watershed para sa ating kapakanan at sa kapakanan ng mga sumusunod na henerasyon. Maraming salamat po.
Ating ingatan at mahalin ang ating kagubatan. Magkapit-bisig tayo upang pangalagaan ang ating kanlungang tubig. Maraming salamat.